first point to understand that you are not making them, they are already made by God. What you are making is your vision, your attitude. Tree has been the same. With Satsanga, you come under the same tree, and now you are inspired by everything you see in the tree. You didn't make anything. If you can understand that, the negative now teaches you many things. If I go on describing too many ways, in the first point it teaches you, you think that you have no anger. But some negative things comes, and anger emerges. If you have satsanga, you thank the person, reminding you of your mud lies. So that's satsanga. Even the world that seems negative is giving you something positive, is inspiring to you to live a life of purpose. And that's why you can see the saintly statement, Nindak niyare rakhiye, Angan kuti chawai. Someone has been bitterly criticizing you. Now, sage says, find where he lives, invite him, give him salary, give him a good quarter, where the roof is well and everything is well set for him. Because Binu pani sabun bina nirmal kare subhai. The sage, this personality who criticizes me, he has that ability to cleanse my errors without using details of soap and water. So you have to figure that out, what it means. Everything has a message behind it, and you have to use your mind, common sense. It doesn't mean literally that you go after people who criticize you and invite them. It simply means that your attitude should be, firstly, in a deeper level, oh God, they don't know what they are doing. Please, they are sick. And your attitude should be like the doctor's attitude to the patients. The patients shout a lot and would talk against the doctor. Doctor should not become upset, because that's the symptom of the patient. The doctor should find more strength to discover his own qualification. If all patients are so simple, there is nothing, no challenge for the doctor. So if you understand that, the same thing applies. So the world becomes always a source of learning and a source of challenge. Even in difficult circumstances, how can you survive? Even in difficult challenges, how can you offer prayers and hold a soft heart? So if you develop that, all this is satsanga.